Welcome to the RMD Trader channel, your gateway to the markets. Our premium mirror trading platform is now live on our website. This platform enables all types of traders to follow advanced trading strategies. No experience required. From beginners to savvy investors and high net worth individuals, our mirror trader favors everyone. Mirror trading has never been easier. Sign up with just a few clicks, deposit the amount you desire, and select one of the top performing strategies. Once your account is live, navigate to the Find Fund tab and click on it. Now you will be able to see the variety of strategies you can choose from. Select the exclusive strategy that you would like to work with and press the Copy Fund button on your right-hand side. Select the amount you wish to allocate and again simply press Copy Fund. Manage your investment with ease. Start, stop or edit the allocation amount. Monitor the statistics of your selected strategy and view the performance of your account. RMD Trader's mirror trading platform is the gateway to a new era of trading. RMD Trader. Trade smart, trade successful.